Here, Lambert. Lambert.
How long have you had Lacey?
I've had her 3 years and 3 months, I think. Wow. Lambert. I don't know why they don't come out, you know. Usually, man, he's right here. That's why I keep a close eye on him. Come on. Come on, Lambert. What's the matter, buddy? What are you doing, Lacey? What are you doing, girl? Lacey, where you going?
What she got down there? Those babies?
Oh, Lacey, she's got cubs right there in the middle of the floor. And listen to that. That's a baby cub.
Lion cubs. She's got lion cubs.
I tell you what, they ain't been born very long, man. Look at that.
At least 3.
Sure, yeah, she's got them. Lacey, oh. Yeah, she got babies.
Hey,
man alive, she got babies. Come at her.
That's why she jumped up like that.
Yeah.
Hope he's laying down and he's
now look at
so gentle too.
I see the, yeah. Come on, girl.
It's okay.
Come on.
It's okay.
Come on.
It's okay. She's protecting her baby.
Yeah, that's good. Come on, Lacey. And listen to that. Look at that little thing over in the corner. Got one plum on that. Here comes one little one right here right between his legs. Oh, that's unreal. Yeah, oh, that was gorgeous, man. Look at her lick that cub. Boy, she's a pretty thing. Hello, Lacey. Hello, girl. That's awesome, you know? I mean, that little cub laying right there on his foot right now, and it don't even cover his whole paw. Right there is living proof that cat, I don't think Lambert would hurt a soul.